MCQs number 1. Two alleles on one locus can be identical as well as different. Option C is correct. Both A and B. MCQs number 2. Female Drosophila is larger with pointed abdomen. Option B is correct. MCQs number 3. Blood pressure is an example of multifactorial traits. 4. P has 7 pairs of chromosomes which are homologous. Option A is correct. 5. The modern fingerprinting test is more seriously considered for a legal decision of DNA. Option B is correct. 6. What is called appearance of traits? Phenotype. B is correct. 7. What will be a color of skin when the number of pigments specifying the genes are greater? It will be dark. Option C is correct. MCQs number 8. Drosophila has generation time of 2 weeks. Option C is correct. Only 2 weeks. MCQs number 9. Mendel studies 7 characters of P in homologous pair of chromosomes which are different. Option B is correct. 10. What is non-insulin dependent? Diabetes mellitus type 2. Option B is correct. MCQs number 11. Color of flower is called trait. Option A is correct. MCQs number 12. What is more complex polygenic trait? Human height. Option B is correct. Human height. 13. Mr. and Mrs. Ali both have blood group A. Their child would be O. Option A is correct. MCQs number 14. Who observed white-eyed mutant male fly? Calvin Bridge. Option A is correct. 15. Mendel presented his finding to Bronsati for study of natural science in 1865. D is correct. 16. In how many diabetic patients diabetes mellitus type 2 is present? Almost 90%. 17. Red and white color of flowers are called as phenotype. Option B is correct. 18. About of diabetes type 2 gets the disease early in life before 25 years of age. 2 to 5% people. A is correct. 19. What would be height when large number of alleles of height are present in men? Short. Option A is correct. 20. Mr. Bilal has blood group A and Mrs. Bilal has blood group A and B. Their child will be blood group B. Option B is correct. 21. Mendel's work was published in Proceeding of the Sati in 1866. Option B is correct. 22. The gene for eye color is located on X chromosomes. Option A is correct. 23. Jumping genes settle peacefully on their loci. Do not. Option A is correct. 24. About 50% of case mode are caused by mutation in glucose genes. Option A is correct. 50%. 25. For gigantism, how many alleles are required? Small number of genes. Option B is correct. 26. RH factor is named after rhesus monkey. Option A is correct. 27. Mendel's work was neglected for about years, 34 years. Option D is correct. 28. There is no allele for the trait on Y chromosomes. Option B is correct. 29. A group of sexually interbreeding organisms of Same species that exist together in both times and space is called population. Option B is correct. Population. 30. With how many genes human skin color is controlled? 3 to 6 genes which control the skin color. 31. Ruling of tongue is due to dominant genes. Option A is correct. Dominant gene. 32. When Rh antigen was discovered 1930. Option D is correct. 33. After Mendel's death, who acknowledged or discovered his work? All of them. Option D is correct. 34. X-linked traits are commonly referred as sex-linked traits. Option B is correct. 35. All the genes or alleles found in breeding population at given time are collectively called gene pool. Option A is correct. Gene pool. What is maximum height in feet or garden pea? 6 to 7. Option A is correct. 37. Rolling of tongue is due to dominant genes. Single. Option A is correct. Single dominant gene. 38. Who first discovered Rh antigen? Landstein. Option C is correct. 39. Albinism is trait in humans. Recessive traits. Option B is correct. Who discovered the sex-linked inheritance? Morgan. C is correct. Morgan. What is total genetic information encoded in total genes in breeding population existing at given times? Gene pool. Option A is correct. 42. The minimum height of garden pea is 9 to 18 inches. 43. Staying together of all the genes chromosome is called linkage. C is correct. Linkage. Rh blood group system is encoded by how many genes? 3. Option A is correct. 45. How many types of dominance relations are there among alleles? 4. Option C is correct. When T.H. Morgan was awarded Nobel Prize for his contribution of genetics? 1933. Option C is correct. Who laid the foundation of classical genetics by formulating 2 laws of heredity? Mendel. Option A is correct. 48. The blood serum containing antibodies is called anti-serum. Option B is correct. Linked DNA don't obey law of segregation. A is correct. When an Rh woman marries to an Rh plus man, then conceive a child who would be a Rh positive. Option